Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete messages in Google Chat for both sides. So if you want to delete a conversation or a chat, a messages in a chat, and you want it to be deleted on your Google Chat, also on the recipient, here's how you can do that. First, you can start by open the Gmail apps on your phone and then open the Google Chat. Click on the chat tabs in here. So for example, here I'm going to send a message to this person, and for example here, hey, okay, so I want to delete this message not only on my chat in here but on the recipient. So you can just long press on the chat, and in here scroll down and click on delete, and click on delete again. But the other person can still see a message that was deleted but cannot see the content of the message. So you can just click on delete, and it will shown like this in the recipient. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.